guys. Ooh. Yeah, there you go. Alright guys, so this is going to be an update video as well as Alright guys, so this video is going to be like an update video and also update video, hair video, chatting with you, but I didn't want to do like come back to you kind of update thing. I really wanted to do like talk to you guys. I have not been, yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I have not been filming for a couple of weeks now. This is my Beauty Forever hair, by the way. Beauty Forever. Ooh. So this is my Beauty Forever hair, BT Dubs. I have not been filming for a while. The hair was wavy and I straightened it when I was at the expo. Oh, I think I want to keep it a little bit wavy. So I had my straightening brush plugged in, but let me go ahead and get my curling wand, Vanity Planet curling wand, and I am a Vanity Planet affiliate, so I'll definitely have the discounts. But you see, my Vanity Planet code and my Snapper codes are like the cheapest ones because they're like 70% off. I don't know why it's so cheap. I don't know. I'm not gonna get into it. All I know is when you use my code, 70 something off. If you do is my code, you paid $100 and something. Or if you know somebody else who use Teamy and no, not Teamy. If you know somebody else who use Snapper and Vanity Planet, then can get their 70% off code. But you know, the girl's your girl. So I have not been. I just has an on and off button. See, just like on and off. That's all. So I can turn it on. Yes, I have not been filming now for a while, and I don't know. It's just I literally can't find my brush, you guys, and I have so much brushes. So I just use a straightening iron brush. It's not plugged in. I plug it out, but it's a little bit warm. And it's the same wig this is how I make all my wigs. In here, see that white? That's the dry shampoo that I used from Batiste. But I think this dry shampoo with wigs works better when your wig has the net, or when you have a traditional wig where you can't see like the lines or whatever. So I'm gonna put this on and just continue to talk to you guys. So by the way, I can get my nail fixed today. It broke off. It's so uncomfortable doing a video with a broken nail. I feel really like weird. But anyway, so I haven't filmed in found my brush. I have not filmed in weeks, probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I haven't filmed in weeks, you guys, and I don't know. I am one extremely uninspired. And it's just like, it's almost like a why bother kind of situation. I don't want to film, and I filmed a video thinking that I was doing well, thinking that I was doing better, and I was out of my slum. That was the full throttle video, the video that has everything, like me doing the wig and all those stuff, fixing up the hair and doing start to finish makeup tutorial and all that stuff. So I thought I was in a better place, but when I was editing the video, I saw that I was still a little bit distracted. So distracted that I don't know. I felt like it read. Oh, it's not very hot. I felt like it read in the video that I was distracted. So I don't know. I get busy, and you know, I just do stuff. Now I'm doing a lot of stuff on the back end. That's more for me and not necessarily for you guys. When I say that, I'm not working with a brand that you can get a product from, but I have been I've been approached with a lot of opportunities for me personally. I am no longer the beauty brand ambassador for Fontana. I don't know if some of you guys picked up on that, but this is hot now. I'm no longer the beauty brand ambassador, which is fine. You know, our contract has ended. And having said that, when the stock for Pour Me by Lyric finishes, as in when they're sold out, the lashes and the brushes, I don't think we'll be restocking. Yeah, I don't think we'll be restocking Fontana. So everything will go back again on my website. If it is that you guys would want to do that, however, like you'd want it in Fontana, if you let me know, and then we can go into a meeting and or start something new. But as for now, as it stands, I'm no longer working with Fontana. I was at the Beauty Expo, and a lot of you were expecting to see me at the Fontana booth, but instead I was at the Batiste booth. Now that's one thing that I said that opportunity has been coming for me personally, is for me to work with other brands. Batiste is a brand carried in by Face. You guys know Face Commodity. They carry a lot of brands. L'Oreal, Arm & Hammer, Unicet, I don't remember. But yeah, so they carry in a lot of brands as well, hair products as well, and they carry in Batiste, which is a dry shampoo. Now, dry shampoo is not as common in Jamaica as it is in the US, because we don't have mostly Caucasian hair. And as far as I'm concerned, dry shampoo is for Caucasian hair. It's not for Black American hair. You know what I mean? Like kinky hair, curly hair, you know, curly hair. But I was made a believer at the expo that we had, the Beauty Expo, the Jamaica International Beauty Expo, which went so well, by the way. Those of you who came out, yo, shout outs to you. Y'all showed, you guys made me feel so loved. I actually had a section there where I did a little bit of my teachings, and I said a little bit because it was like an introduction to what you can get at my classes. On my model, I didn't do a full face. On her, which is typically how I do my models. I don't give my models a full face. It's just to show my students what to do, and then have them go and come do what I just showed them how to do. You know what I mean? But yeah, so some of you were expecting to see me at the Fontana booth, and I wasn't telling you guys like, lyrical really I want. I'm just like, I don't know nothing there. You know, I'm just no longer the beauty brand ambassador. You know. But yeah, so what Fontana has done for me though is launch me into corporate, so I'm really appreciative to them for that. Also, I'll be working with Batiste, that brand for the next, I don't know what's going to be like, but you guys will definitely see me using it here on my channel as well. Personally, I am getting down to the body that I want, you guys. I have a body transformation that I want to show you guys. Hopefully I have time to edit this video, because the editing is what's going to take a while. But this, hopefully I can have the picture up. This is my body transformation just after almost a month, like 3 weeks or 2-point-something weeks. The first picture is July the 23rd, and the second picture is the 15th of August, sorry, 15th of August. And the reason why it's so drastic is, one, I am now doing the OMAD diet where I eat 1 meal a day most days, and I also do 2 to 3 hours of cardio in the morning, and I go to gym in the evenings, and I do intermittent fasting as well, and I drink a lot of water. I haven't had any soda. The only thing I've had, sorry, there's here on it, I'm going up. The only thing I've had with sugar is my tea and coffee, if I should have it. I don't have no juice, no nothing at all, no soda, nothing at all. So yeah, so I'm really glad with where my body's at now. And when I say 2 to 3 hours of cardio, I mean like the walk takes me that amount of time. So I'm not running for 2 to 3 hours. So we'll leave from Daytona, we'll jog to I-95, that's where Phoenix gas station is, if you know more. Then we'll jog back to the Underrun 24-hour gas station. Then we'll walk from there and we'll just go to the hill. Then under the hill, do some abs if I feel like it. Most mornings I feel like it. Do some abs, do some squats, do some, little body workouts. Then I walk back home. So everything, if I don't go to the hill, it takes me 2 hours. If I go to the hill, it takes me 3 hours in order from my leave out until I get back. It takes 3 hours. So yeah, so I'm glad with where that is, with where my body is now. The program, I use that program though. Crystalline, she's on Instagram, and I used her program. It's a 8-week, 2-month program, but I finished that program in 3 weeks. Let me explain. I felt like it wasn't challenging me enough, and that made me uncomfortable. I felt like I was like going back, coming from the a Jazzy Fit workout program to her program, it just felt like nothing. So I was like, I wanted results immediately, and I knew I had to push my body now to get those results. Two, I just wanted something with a bit of a challenge. You know, what I love about Crystaline's program is that the focus is on core and bottom, core and booty. And I'm telling you that my core, I'm paying so much more attention to my abdominal area. It's insane. And initially I never gave my abs a moment notice or a thought, because I'm saying, you know, that will go down with running, with jogging, you know, with some cardio. I know abs are made in the kitchen, but just like any other muscle group, it has to be trained. You know what I mean? Like, if you want results in a certain area, then you have to train it, right? So yeah, so this is going to be like a little body update. I'm going to do a video on my Lyric Uncut channel about the programs that I've been using, but I really wanted to show you guys this hair and do a little, you know, little update about everything, you know. So yeah, let me put this to the back. This is the length of the hair. It's 24, but it's very long for 24. Look at my abs. Oh my gosh, it's just like, I am so pleased. I'm not lying. And my belly is still squishy, but in the mornings I do core exercises as well on the hill. Limited core exercises in the gym, mostly on the hill, but then when I feel like it, I do some core in the gym, but not a lot. And I still have like my back fat, see that I need to get rid of, but it was way worse. But anyway, so this is the length of the Beauty Forever hair. This is it right here. Luscious, flowing. Is there Brazilian or Indian? I really want to say Brazilian because of the texture, because it's wavy here, so when I straighten it, so I don't know if you're hearing me, it's wavy here, so when I straighten it, it has a lot of body, you know. This looks cute. Oh, and the reason why I've been doing red brows is because I can't be bothered to buy any brown eyeliner pencil. That's the God honest truth. Crap, I have to go have a 10:30 appointment. But yeah, so this is it for this video, you guys. A little bit of an update, a little bit of a thank you to Beauty Forever for sending me their hair to review, a little bit of everything. I'm completely in love with Beauty Forever hair, and I love straight hair. You guys can definitely order, purchase, and if I have discount codes, I will leave that in the description bar for you guys to click to shop, to purchase, and to get them codes and get them coins or money. But yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and bear with me as I am easing back into YouTube, because I've been filming for almost 3 weeks, and it's literally quite uncomfortable for me, and I feel like my energy is low. No, so you know, bear with me. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Big up on a blood cleanse self. Bye guys.